Ever felt that nagging worry when using your card abroad? Is my money safe? Will I get ripped off? You're not alone. Traveling can be exciting, but navigating foreign currencies and potential risks can be stressful. So, let's dive deep into YouTrip and see if it truly keeps your money safe. Now, YouTrip is a popular travel card and app, promising a seamless and secure travel experience. But how does it actually work? And most importantly, how does it protect your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down. Multi-currency wallet YouTrip allows you to hold multiple currencies in your app wallet. This eliminates the need for last-minute currency exchanges at unfavorable rates, saving you money and time. Live exchange rates YouTrip provides real-time exchange rates, ensuring you always know exactly how much you're spending in your local currency. Transparency is key, and YouTrip delivers. Foreign transaction fees. One of the biggest headaches of traveling abroad are those pesky foreign transaction fees. YouTrip typically waives these fees, a major perk for frequent travelers. Security measures. In-app controls. YouTrip offers robust in-app controls, allowing you to freeze your card instantly if you suspect any unauthorized activity. This gives you peace of mind knowing you can quickly mitigate any potential risks. Biometric authentication. Strong security measures like fingerprint or facial recognition add an extra layer of protection to your account, ensuring only you can access your funds. Fraud monitoring and alerts. YouTrip actively monitors for suspicious activity and sends you instant alerts if anything unusual is detected. This proactive approach helps to prevent fraud before it happens. Now, let's compare YouTrip to traditional banks. Traditional banks, often charge hefty foreign transaction fees, offer less competitive exchange rates, and may have limited in-app features for managing your travel finances. YouTrip prioritizes competitive exchange rates, waives foreign transaction fees, and provides a user-friendly app with robust security features. This makes YouTrip a compelling option for travelers looking to save money and stay secure. Addressing potential concerns. Currency exchange rates. While YouTrip offers competitive rates, it's crucial to always compare them with the mid-market rate to ensure you're getting the best deal. Customer support. It's essential to familiarize yourself with YouTrip's customer support channels and their responsiveness. In case of any issues, you want to ensure you have access to quick and efficient assistance. So, is your money safe with YouTrip? With its robust security features, competitive exchange rates, and focus on user control, YouTrip certainly offers a level of security that surpasses many traditional banking options for travel. However, as with any financial service, it's crucial to do your own research, compare options, and understand the terms and conditions before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.